It's on. Hi guys, this is part 2 of opening.
Oh God!
Whoa! Glitter came out, guys. Glitter came out of the ball.
Well, we don't need that anymore. This is awesome. Now we just have to cut this open to get the.
You want to touch it, guys? Here comes your finger. Oh, look at your fingers. Doesn't it feel great? No, right? We have a butter knife. A butter knife. Shiny.
And that didn't work, so now we have to use scissors.
Now we are using scissors. Is there like a little hole? Wait, Griffin, give me it.
It's a bigger hole.
Hold the camera.
Look.
Okay, so please, grabbing the camera. Watch.
Need sharper ones.
I don't have sharper ones.
These are your only ones.
Wait, give me that.
Wait, now we just need to make a little...
1, 2, 3, action! Hurry up!
Ah! I'm trying.
Now, can you get it? I know, this is annoying. I'm just kidding, right?
Well, cameraman is annoying.
No, I'm just kidding.
Wait, she's a sweet girl.
Give me it. So this is what it is.
It's
So
glitter.
oh, it's like a rubber ball inside something.
Yeah. Wait, let me feel.
Like, feel. It's just like a rubber ball. I thought it was gonna be squishy or something. Did you? Comment down below, guys. What did you think it was going to feel like? The eye.
I thought it would feel like rubber.
Hey, you don't.
Rubber.
Hey, you don't say how it feels like in videos. I thought it'd feel like a stress ball. One of those squishy ones. No, you're going to say get 100 dozen below. No? Okay. No, we're not even that good. We don't even have that much videos. No, well.
We're almost out.
We might have to make a part 3, guys. Okay.
Okay.
So the other video So if y'all see all this glitter right here, we'll just.
It looks like pee. Some of it looks like pee.
What is that? Like sand? What is that? Orange glitter?
It's orange glitter.
Guys, it's not worth it, really. Opening the ball isn't.
Nope.
We're just trying to get
the ball out. The little eyeball out. It's
So-
not working.
So we will make a part 3.
So I hope you see the part 3, please.
Press what?